The most question I get always is, oh, this particular job website is not available in Africa. And it can be so draining and so frustrating when eventually finding out that a particular website is not available, especially in Africa. If you are in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, or across Africa, please do not sleep on these job websites. And you can do these tasks from this website right with your phone. I'm talking about legitimate platforms that pays real people real money every single day to do a simple task online. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start each one step by step, so you don't waste time figuring it out all by yourself. No. Now stay with me, because the last one can take you from side income to something scalable. All right. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you how to make money legitimately online, especially with AI. So why not go ahead and smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right. Turn on your notification button. Now, quick disclaimer before we dive in, please, on no account should you pay to any website that requests for money before they can give you a job. This should be a real sign for you that they are not legit. All right. Number one is Clickworker. This is one of the most quiet platforms that people are not really talking about. It gives you access to little or small tasks, typing, data entry, short writing, simple research. In fact, I would call it a low pressure work, low effort, low pressure work, and low barrier work. All right. Now, here is how to get started. Head over to clickworker.com, as you can see on the screen. Now, sign up under Become a Clickworker. All right. Complete your profile, take the available assessment test. This unlock more tax types for you. All right. Then log in and head to UHR's portal. That's where most of the tasks are live. All right. Now pick tasks that match your skills, complete them carefully, and submit. Now the next thing is that payments go out monthly via PayPal or SEPA bank transfer once you hit the minimum payout. Now, those tasks on Clickworker, I can call it slow but steady income. All right. You have to keep doing the tasks consistently to build something very scalable, something very huge. The next one is Toloka AI. And honestly, most people sleep on this one, but it's one of the most accessible platforms if you are just starting out with nothing but your phone. Toloka AI pays you to complete small tasks like checking images, verifying information, helping companies to train their AI. Nothing technical, nothing overwhelming. Now, here is how you can access Toloka AI. First of all, go to Toloka AI and click Join as a Toloka. Completely free. All right. Now, complete your profile and verify your account. This unlocks more tasks. What next to do is browse your tax feed. Each tax shows the pay rates and estimated time if you begin. Start with simpler tax first to build your accuracy score. A higher score unlocks better paying work. Now, the next thing to do is just stay consistent. All right. Withdrawals are available both on PayPal and Papara, depending on your country. Now, I will tell you this, Toloka AI will not make you overnight rich, but honestly, you are going to make a lot of dollars from there. Now, the next platform is Mindrift. Now, what Mindrift does is they pay you just to train their AI, meaning that you will review their AI responses, you will write content. Also, you are expected to improve what AI has already generated. But hear me, you are not creating from scratch. You are just correcting, refining, guiding. All right. So if you can read clearly, communicate clearly, you already have all it takes to start working on Mindrift. Now, here is how Mindrift works. Go to Mindrift and click Become a Contributor. It is free to apply. Fill out your application with your language and any areas of your knowledge you have. Be specific and honest. Expect a short assessment. Take it seriously. Your score determines what task you qualify for. Now, if you are accepted, you will get access to your task dashboard where you will work at your own pace. Now, I will tell you, you can check the platform and see the current withdrawal platforms available in your country. All right. Now, for free, I will tell you that this one is more selective and requires a bit patient, but the pay is better off than other platforms. Now the next one is Prolific. Prolific is beginner friendly. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it very well, but that's all I can help with. Alright. Prolific pays you to participate in few academic research and also company-backed research studies. But hear me, you are not selling anything nor curating anything. You are just simply sharing your opinion based on what you understand from your research and also completing short tasks for researchers. Alright, that's it. It's not too hard. In fact, it is the best beginner-friendly platform you can start with. Now, how do you access this Prolific? First of all, go to prolific.com and click sign up as a participant. It is completely free. Fill in your profile honestly and in detail. The more complete it is, the more studies you will get matched with. Once approved, your dashboard will show available studies. Each one tells you upfront how long it takes and exactly how much it pays. Alright. Now complete the study and submit. Your earnings lands in your Prolific account. Now I will tell you, whenever you want to withdraw, you can cash it out on PayPal or you can set up your Gray account. All right. I think in my next video, I might show you how to set up a Gray account. It is very important if you are dealing anything that has to pay in dollars. All right. And I can also suggest this thing for you. If you don't have any PayPal, set up a Gray account. It gives you a virtual PayPal compatible account you can use right from Africa. All right. I will tell you this for free. Studies or research fill up faster. So what I want you to do is regularly or consistently search for available tasks. The more active you are, the more opportune you are to earn. It's just like Luel AI. All right. They're almost the same thing. The more active you are on the platform, the more you can easily and very fast and see a task and grab it. All right. Now the next one is Remotasks. This is another powerful platform that most of you are not using, or you guys are not even trying it out. Honestly, this one is very visual. You have to draw boxes around objects and images, labeling items, categorizing data. Now once you understand the systems, it becomes very easy, fast and almost automatic for you. Now here is how you can access this Remotasks. First of all, go to remotasks.com and create your free account. Head straight to the training section before you do anything else. This step is non-negotiable, right? The next step is complete the training modules for the task type you want to work on. They are free and they are what will qualify you to earn. Once certified, go to your dashboard, pick available tasks and get to work. Now, I will tell you for free, the more accurate you work, the higher your rating, and the better rating means better paying tasks. Now, payment goes out every week through or via PayPal and Payoneer. All right. So in Africa, you can access Payoneer. Now, I'll tell you again, treat the job like an interview. Just smash it, nail it, and the money will start flowing. Now, this is the last one, which many of us knows about it. The last one is Fiverr. You can access Fiverr on Chrome. All right. Now, because I want this particular one to be the last one, now this is where you stop doing tasks for other people's business and start building something of your own. All right. Like you will stop working for other people's business and start building your own. Now on Fiverr, what you mostly do is to offer your service. All right. If you know that you can do data entry, you are a social media strategist, manager, and so on, you offer the service to this platform. Before you tell me, oh, I don't have a skill, Techmom, I want to tell you, people are earning real money doing things like formatting documents, rewriting content, data entry, just like I mentioned, just basic research, even proofreading. People are making money from it on Fiverr. You don't need to be an expert, not at all. You just need to package what you already know. So how do you access Fiverr? Just head over to fiverr.com, create your free seller account, set up your profile properly, use a clear photo and write a bio that explains what you do and who you can help. Create your first gig, your service listing, write something specific like, I will do data entry and copy typing or copywriting accurately and fast. Set your pricing, start competitive, a lower price gets your first reviews, and reviews are everything on Fiverr, all right? Add a solid description, answer FAQs questions, and set realistic delivery times. Once your gig is live, share it on WhatsApp group, Facebook, LinkedIn, anywhere your potential clients might be. Don't just sit and wait, all right? I will tell you for free, please deliver great work whenever you're on Fiverr, because that your reviews matters a lot. Now I will tell you, Fiverr takes a lot of work. okay, before you can step up. But you can do it. Your income grows with your reputation. As you are growing, your income is growing. All right. So will you be trying any of these, and which one would you be trying? Just tell me in the comment section. And if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye.